Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 MY20 Eclipse Cross LS. Now, the Eclipse Cross by far is my favorite Mitsubishi model. Starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through some of the actual features that you get in an Eclipse Cross Exceed. As you can see, it does have that dynamic shield look on the front. It was one of the first models to actually adapt that new look with the sharp headlights, the big fog lights, and that nice chrome front grille there. Now, being the Exceed model, you do get your front ultrasonic sensors there, so it is awesome because a very easy car to park. Now, the other thing the Eclipse Cross Exceed gets is your multi-around view monitor. So there is a camera in the front there for that, and as we go around, I'll show you where the others are as well. The chrome front grille does contrast and add a lot of, let's say, personality to the front end, so it does contrast quite nicely with the black and ties in very nicely with the white. Very low kilometers, probably used as a demo model. This vehicle is in beautiful condition, and in that white, it is a car that really stands out with the white chrome and black accessories. The headlights are nice and sharp, and you have got a daytime running lamp that actually runs through that headlight, so adds a little bit of elegance, and it does help you be seen, especially in low light conditions. Got projector headlights, both LEDs, and down the bottom you have also got your fog lights and indicators fitted there. Big bulky front end, and the way the Eclipse Cross is designed, as you can see, it has very sharp curves and edges all the way through the car. It does look quite streamlined, and that is exactly why they have designed it this way. So the design of the Eclipse Cross is actually made to glide through the air, give you a very comfortable drive and save you as much fuel as it can with minimum resistance. The alloy wheels on this vehicle are beautiful as well. So you've got the chrome and black alloy with that multi-spoke kind of design. So very well designed vehicle. And the plastic fender covers and side skirts means if you do get stone chips that flick up from the road, it's not actually going to damage a painted surface. Down the bottom of the Eclipse Cross, you've also got the chrome garnish along that side skirt. Now, the underside of the mirror, once again, same reason they have put a plastic cover under there, is to minimize any damage to a painted surface from stone chips and road gravel. The indicator is just built into the side mirror there, and as I said, you do get another camera just under there for your multi-around view monitor. Now, the back windows on the Eclipse Cross are privacy glass, which means it is just a dyed glass to prevent people looking in and seeing what's in your back seat. But what I would highly recommend is please ask us about our premium window tint, because that's going to match the tint up and give you the added benefit of the UV protection from the tint. Now, being keyless entry, just press the button on the door there. It does fold in your mirror, so it is an awesome way to remember that your car is locked, and when you press it again, it does just unlock it. Now, on the inside of the vehicle, as you can see, very nice leather seats in this car, and you do get the orange stitching across all your leather interior. Very comfortable design. It is quite a sporty interior, and on the side of the seat here as well, you do get your electric seat controls. Now, the way the seat is designed, it is made to make getting in and out of this vehicle very comfortable. As you can see, stepping out of the car, you don't actually have to stretch too far to actually step out. The other thing is, on the door here is your mud guard, which means they have put as much as they can on the door to maximize your cabin space. So it is a very roomy interior. Now, on the back door here as well, we'll just show you this quickly. The door opens up almost 90 degrees, which means getting in and out of that back seat is very comfortable. The other awesome thing is, if the camera can pick it up, this back seat's actually on a rail, so you can slide it forwards and backwards if you did want to put anything in the back, and folding it down, it does lie almost flat. So awesome for making more space if you did need the extra storage. We'll close that back up and make our way along to the back of the vehicle. Now, on the back, once again, you do get very sharp tail lights there with the LED surrounds, and they do cut straight across that tailgate. It is an incredible design, and it is actually made to maximize your visibility. So having two windows on the back there does give you more visibility than just having the single. Under the spoiler is your rear wiper, and in the bottom, underneath the tailgate, you actually get your next camera plus the ultrasonic sensors color matched to that rear bar. Opening this tailgate up on the back end, you do get plenty of storage, so very good for storing. You have two storage compartments on either side, and when you lift this up, you do get your spare wheel just under there as well. Now, the Exceed also comes with a cargo blind, so awesome for keeping anything you've got in the back nice and private. close this back up and we'll keep making our way along the passenger side. As you can see, guys, it is a very well designed car. Your fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side of the vehicle. And let me tell you, when you do drive this car and when you experience what the Eclipse Cross has to offer, it's a car that really stands out. It is an attention grabbing vehicle and it is an incredibly beautiful drive, which is why I'm going to open the bonnet now and let's have a chat about what is actually in the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have here is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It is an incredible drive. Now, don't get me wrong, even though it is a turbo vehicle, the turbo in this car isn't actually built for performance. It's made to give you a very good pickup, and then once you're up and running, it gives you an incredibly smooth drive. So it's a sporty looking vehicle with good pickup, and it is a quiet, comfortable drive as well. Now, in the engine bay, you will notice it does have your 3-point strut brace as well. So what that does is actually gives you extra control around corners. So if you corner a little bit too hard, it prevents your car from leaning too much into it. Now, ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. The power output from the engine is about 110 kilowatts with 250 newton meters of torque. Where this car actually really stands out though is its fuel consumption. So you are looking at a 60 litre capacity tank, which for a turbo engine, you can actually just run it on your basic 91. Fuel consumption is about 7.7 litres per 100, which is amazing, giving you an average fuel distance, obviously depending on your driving style, of about 779 kilometers from the full tank. Taking a look inside the Eclipse Cross now, on the driver's side door, there is a little handle here that does give you all your power mirror controls and the little toggle. Nice and easy to use with your thumb. On the door itself, you do get all your power window controls and they are all automatic. Above that is your central locking and your window lock. Now on the right hand side here, you've got all your buttons for your safety system, so forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and your stability control. If you want more information on those systems, ask us about it because we will go into detail with you. Down the bottom you've got 3 blank buttons if you want to add anything extra, and your parking sonar button. Next to that, again, probably one of the coolest features about the Eclipse Cross, your heads-up display. So as you can see, when you press the HUD button, it does pop up a little display. Next to the button for that, you have got your brightness control, but you've also got the angle adjuster, so you can actually change the height of the display just to get all the information nice and central for you. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and very comfortable to hold. Cruise control settings are on the right hand side with your adaptive cruise there as well. And on the left hand side, all your media controls and the button for your around view monitor. Right hand side stalk, you've got your indicators as well as automatic headlights and automatic high beams, and left hand stalk, you've got your automatic wipers and all your washers as well. Behind the steering wheel, if you like the sporty feel of driving a car like this, you can switch through the gears manually with the large paddle shifters. Now, having a look in the center display, I will show you the nice 360 camera you get. So as you can see, very easy to park this car when you can see all 4 sides. Now, if you press it again, you do also get your front left wheel, which will help you with your parallel parking. In terms of media options in this display, you have got AM and FM radio, but you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so connecting your phone with a USB cable will mirror it up there and give you the option to use Spotify or whatever you use for music, as well as Google Maps for navigation. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity as well. Now down the bottom, you have got your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver both get their own temperatures, and down here again 2 USB ports, a little bit of storage, and a 12-volt socket. Behind that again, you have got heated seats for the front 2 seats, so very good for winter conditions when it does get a bit cold and you don't want to sit on cold leather. Behind that again, super auto control, so it'll let you switch through auto, snow or gravel. Then your shifter, you can drive it as a standard auto or bump it to the left into sports mode and switch through your gears with the paddles or the shifter itself. Got a little trackpad down here as well. It does work similar to a normal mouse pad, but it does save you having to reach over and touch that screen. If you want more information on the gestures for that pad, scroll to the last page on the main screen and there is a tutorial. Now behind that, you've got your electric park brake, auto hold, 2 cup holders, and that leather wrapped center console. When you open it up, there's a little storage here, maybe for your sunglasses or something, and plenty more storage just under there. Now panning up to the roof quickly, you can see do get a really nice sunroof there. So that one, the right hand control does open the shade, but the left hand control does open the shade and the sunroof together. So really good for days like today when you might want to cruise and get a little bit more light in. Now on the back, the fun does not stop there. You do get a shade in the back as well. So split rear sunroof, split sunroof in this vehicle. So really good for letting in extra light when you maybe want to tan while you're driving. So very, very well designed, and let me tell you, it is a very comfortable car to sit in as well. What we're going to do now, guys, is jump outside and wrap up the video. So much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Eclipse Cross. As you can see, in an Exceed model with this kind of kilometers, it is incredible value. So please do not waste time. Give us a call and lock this car away. Happy to do it over the phone as well and make the process super easy for you. A couple things I would highly recommend you take advantage of, and we are going to talk to you about it anyway. Decide what kind of accessories you need, because we're going to walk you through some awesome accessories that will help you customize your Eclipse Cross and make it look awesome and will help you protect it as well. One of the things is the glass coat. That is going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It will protect it against many of Australia's harsh weather climates and keep it looking like a new car for as long as you own it. One of the other things I would highly recommend you take advantage of if you are keeping the car for a very long time is the Platinum 1 program. Now that is, think of it like an extension of your new car warranty. You get another 5 years of cover, plus 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance, $5,000 per claim, and guys, it's just a great way to keep your car running, keep it protected, and make sure that over the next 10 years it is protected. Now, just before I go, it is also important for you to know who you're dealing with. So please Google Berwick Mitsubishi, read our reviews, have a read of what people have to say about us and about the business you are going to be dealing with, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable business. We will look after you from start to finish, make the process easy, and make sure that you are getting into your new car comfortably. We do also have finance options, so Julie and Mario will do their best to tailor a package to suit your needs, work in the car plus your accessories and your protective options for you, and just make all the payments work. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.